Hello friends, welcome to our YouTube channel MCQ Questions Hub. Today we will cover questions related to national and international appointments in May 2022. All questions are important and selected, and friends, if you are preparing for any exam, then this video is going to be very important for you. So let's start with question number 1. Question number 1 is, who has been appointed as the advisor of the online lending platform Indify Technologies? And the correct answer is A. Rajneesh Kumar. Online lending platform Indify Technologies has appointed former chairman of SBI Rajneesh Kumar as an advisor. Moving on to the next question. Who among the following has been appointed as the Vice Chief of the Army Staff? And the correct answer is B. B.S. Raju. The Indian Army's Director General of Military Operations, Lieutenant General Baggavali Somashekhar Raju has been appointed as the Vice Chief of the Army Staff from May 1. Moving on to the next question. Next question is, Anshul Swamy has been appointed Managing Director and Chief Executive Officer of which small finance bank? And the correct answer is D. Equitas Small Finance Bank. Anshul Swamy has been appointed MD and CEO of the Shivalik Small Finance Bank. Moving on to the next question. Who among the following has been appointed as Chairman of Central Board of Direct Taxes CBDT? And the correct answer is B. Sangeeta Singh. Sangeeta Singh, an Indian Revenue Service IRS officer from the 1986 batch, has been appointed as Chairman CBDT with effect from May 2, 2022. Next question. Who has been appointed as an advisor to Prime Minister Narendra Modi? And the correct answer is D. Tarun Kapoor. The center appointed retired Indian Administrative Service officer and former Petroleum Secretary Tarun Kapoor as an advisor to Prime Minister Narendra Modi in the Prime Minister's office. Moving on to the next question. Who has been recently appointed as the ex officio member of the Monetary Policy Committee by Central Board of Directors of Reserve Bank of India? And the correct answer is D. Rajiv Ranjan. Rajiv Ranjan has been appointed as the ex officio member of the Monetary Policy Committee by Central Board of Directors of Reserve Bank of India. Next question. Who has been appointed as the first ever Chief Technology Officer of Central Intelligence Agency CIA? And the correct answer is D. Nand Mulchandani. Indian origin Nand Mulchandani has been appointed as the first ever CTO of Central Intelligence Agency, first line of defense for the United States. Next question. Who among the following has been elected to the Board of Directors of the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, United States of America? And the correct answer is D. Arvind Krishna. Chairman and Chief Executive Officer of IBM, Arvind Krishna was elected to the Board of Directors of the Federal Reserve Bank of New York, United States of America to fill the vacancy in the office for the remaining period of a 3-year term which ends on 31st December 2023. Moving on to the next question. Who has been appointed as Chairman of the Board of Directors of Indigo by Interglobe Aviation? And the correct answer is C. Venkatramani Sumantram. Interglobe Aviation announced that Venkatramani Sumantran has been named chairperson of the Indigo board. Next question. Who took charge as the Director General, Inspection and Safety of the Indian Air Force? And the correct answer is C. Sanjeev Kapoor. Air Marshal Sanjeev Kapoor took charge as Director General, Inspection and Safety of Indian Air Force at New Delhi. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new Hindustan Petroleum Corporation Limited Chairman and Managing Director? And the correct answer is B. Pushp Kumar Joshi. Pushp Kumar Joshi, who recently took over as the interim Chairman and Managing Director of Hindustan Petroleum Limited, has been appointed on the board of the nation's third largest oil refining and fuel marketing company. Next question. John Lee Ka Chiu elected as Dash next chief executive? And the correct answer is A, Hong Kong. John Lee Ka-chiu has been conferred as Hong Kong's next chief executive. He will replace Carrie Lam. Moving on to the next question. Who among the following took charge as the vice chair at Denmark-based Maritime Anti-Corruption Network? And the correct answer is B, Rajesh Unni. Captain Rajesh Unni, founder and CEO of Synergy Group, one of the world's leading ship managers and one of India's major marine firms, elected vice chair of the Denmark-based Maritime Anti-Corruption Network. Next question. Which country has been elected as the new chair of the Association of Asian Election Authorities for 2022 to 2024? And the correct answer is C, India. India has been anonymously elected as the new chair of the Association of Election Authorities for 2022 to 24 at the meeting of the Executive Board and General Assembly in Manila, Philippines. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new Chief Executive Officer and Managing Director of Air India? And the correct answer is C, Campbell Wilson. Campbell Wilson, the previous head of low-cost airline Scott, has been appointed as the new CEO and MD of Air India. Next question. Who among the following has been appointed as the next Chief Election Commissioner of India? And the correct answer is D, Rajiv Kumar. Election Commissioner Rajiv Kumar was appointed as the next Chief Election Commissioner. Next question. Who has been won the presidential election in Philippines? And correct answer is B, Ferdinand Marcos Jr. Ferdinand Bongbong Marcos Jr., a son of late Philippine dictator Ferdinand Marcos, claims a victory in the 2022 presidential election of the Philippines. Next question. Who has been appointed as President of the Confederation of Indian Industry for the year 2022 to 23? And correct answer is C, Sanjeev Bajaj. Chairman of Bajaj Finserv Limited, Sanjeev Bajaj, has assumed the office of Confederation of Indian Industry President for the year 22 to 23 after replacing CEO of Tata Steel, TV Narendran. Next question. Who has been appointed as new Chairman and Managing Director of the REC Limited? And the correct answer is D, Ravindra Singh Dhillon. REC Limited, formerly Rural Electrification Corporation Limited, a Navratan company under the administrative control of the Ministry of Power, announced it has named Ravindra Singh Dhillon as Chairman and Managing Director of the company. Moving on to the next question. Who has been appointed as the chairperson of the Central Board of Secondary Education, CBSE? And the correct answer is D, Nidhi Chibbar. Senior bureaucrat Nidhi Chibbar has been appointed as the chairperson of the CBSE as part of a senior level bureaucratic reshuffle elected by the center. Next question. Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan has recently been appointed president of. Correct answer is D, UAE. The Supreme Council of the Union elected Sheikh Mohammed bin Zayed Al Nahyan, ruler of Abu Dhabi, as president of the UAE. Next question. Dash and Siti Kantha Patnaik have been named executive director by the Reserve Bank of India. Correct answer is B, Rajiv Ranjan. Rajiv Ranjan and Siti Kantha Patnaik have been named executive directors by the RBI. Next question. B. Govindarajan was appointed as CEO of which company? Correct answer is C, Royal Enfield. Eicher Motor has appointed B. Govindarajan as the Chief Executive Officer of Royal Enfield. He will also serve as the whole-time director of the board of Eicher Motors Limited. Next question. Elizabeth Bond has been appointed as the new Prime Minister of which of the following countries? And the correct answer is D, France. Elizabeth Bond was appointed France's new Prime Minister to become the second woman to hold the post in the country? Moving on to the next question. Which of the following has appointed ex-RBI Deputy Governor S.S. Mundra as its chairman? Correct answer is B. BSE. BSE Limited announced that it has approved the appointment of S.S. Mundra, Public Interest Director, as the chairman of the board of directors of the company. Next question. Who has been reappointed as Managing Director and CEO of Bharti Airtel? Correct answer is C. Gopal Vittal. Bharti Airtel board has reappointed Gopal Vittal as MD and CEO for a further period of 5 years ending on January 31, 2028. Next question. Which of the following aviation company has appointed Peter Albers as Chief Executive Officer? Correct answer is D. Indigo. The board of directors of Interglobe Aviation Limited appointed Peter Albers as CEO. He will join Indigo on or before 1st October 2022. Next question. Who has been reappointed as CEO and MD of Infosys? Correct answer is D. Salil Parekh. IT major Infosys announced that its board of directors has reappointed Salil S. Parekh as CEO and MD of the company, effective from July 1st, 2022 for a period of 5 years till March 31, 2027. Next question. Who has been reappointed as MD and CEO of Paytm? And the correct answer is A. Vijay Shekhar Sharma. Vijay Shekhar Sharma has been reappointed as the MD and CEO of Paytm for another 5 years term. His tenure will be from December 19, 2022 to December 18, 2027. Next question. Who has been appointed as the new private secretary to Prime Minister Narendra Modi at joint secretary level? And the correct answer is D. Vivek Kumar. The appointment committee of the cabinet has approved the appointment of Vivek Kumar as the private secretary to PM Narendra Modi at joint secretary level. Next question. World Health Organization has reappointed Dr. Tedros Adhanom Ghebreyesus as Director General of WHO for the second term. Tedros Adhanom is from which country? And the correct answer is D. Ethiopia. Moving on to the next question. Who among the following has been appointed as chairperson of Committee B at 75th World Health Assembly? And the correct answer is A. Rajesh Bhushan. Union Health Secretary Rajesh Bhushan has been appointed as the chairperson of the Committee B at the 75th World Health Assembly (WHA). Next question. Who has been appointed as the chairman of the WTO's Committee on Technical Barriers on Trade? And the correct answer is D. Anwar Hussain Sheikh. Indian government officer Anwar Hussain Sheikh has been made the chair of the World Trade Organization's Committee on Technical Barriers on Trade. Next question. Who has been appointed as the acting chairperson of Lokpal by President Ramnath Kovind? Correct answer is C. Pradeep Kumar Mohanty. Justice Pradeep Kumar Mohanty has been appointed as the acting chairperson of Lokpal by President Ramnath Kovind after Pinaki Chandra Ghosh completed his tenure as the Lokpal chief. So that's all for today. If you like the video, then do like and share. If you are new on the channel, then subscribe the channel. If you want PDF ebook, the link is provided in the description. And for free PDF, you can join our Telegram channel. So friends, we will meet in the next video. Till then, keep studying and wish you all the best. Goodbye.